Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith on this Memorial Day morning. We have temperatures outside that are in the 50s, mostly clear and pleasant. We had showers and thunderstorms come through yesterday. Those storms are off to our east. We're quiet outside now, but by this afternoon, we'll have a chance for a few more showers and thunderstorms to develop. Now, we're not expecting severe weather, and you can see we're clear for the first half of the day. It's not until about 3 o'clock or so that we start to expect to see showers and thunderstorms. Not expecting severe weather, but certainly some downpours and gusty winds are possible, and we'll keep showers around until about midnight. Then we quiet down. It'll be a cooler day on Tuesday when we head back to work and to school. So today, look for a high that'll peak near 78 degrees on this Memorial Day, a 40% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Tuesday, a high of 71, a 20% rain chance. Wednesday, 68 degrees. That's the coolest day of the bunch. Low 70s for Thursday and for Friday. Friday, a 50% chance of showers and storms that'll linger into Friday night. By Saturday morning, we're wrapping that up, and we'll have a decent looking weekend with temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith.